Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your personal information on the Linktree app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the Linktree app. Then go to the More on the bottom right corner, tap on More, then scroll down to the Account, and the first option will be the My Information. Tap on it, then here you can change your name, tap on Done, and on the top left corner you can accept it, and if you go to the preview then you can see my name changed though. So that's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.